I will be listening to my patient's heart in 5 different spots and asking her some questions around her health history. You do understand by completing this, it will be uploaded to Canvas as an assignment. Can you please state your name, date of birth, and a statement giving consent?
Kayleen Martinez, May 8th, 2002, and I give my consent.
Okay, and I'll be starting with the health history questions. Do you have any chest pain?
No.
Any shortness of breath?
No.
Do you seem to get tired easily?
No.
Ever notice any blueness or ashiness to your facial skin?
No.
Any swelling on your legs and feet?
No.
Any history of any cardiac diseases?
No.
Okay, so now I'll be auscultating her heart. I'll be starting with the pump, the aortic, and now her pulmonic, her first point, her tricuspid, and her mitral.